Alrighty, everybody. Whoa, let me start that again. All right, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you. It's October 23rd. I think it's about 10:30 a.m., something like that. And we are plowing. Things have finally dried up enough to where it's acceptable to get in a little more fall tillage. This will be the last of it for me. There is, well, maybe. It depends. I'm not going to get into it right now. It depends on another piece of property, which is in corn, standing corn as we speak. Needs to be combined, and we'll see what happens. But this is actually the only moldboarding that will be taking place. It goes without saying, it's extremely obvious. This is an old hay field. I'd venture to say that this field has been in hay for, I know, guaranteed 8 years. I'd venture to say 10, and it's time to turn it over. This is just shy of 10 acres, and this is going into corn for next year, specifically corn silage. I got the cab 6400 with no heat, hooked up to the Neverland. I don't know how to say that word. I've seen it 1,000 times. I've heard it be said before. I can't pronounce it. I call it Neverland. The Neverland 4-bottom plow. I wish I could tell you how old this is. I can't. I know for a fact it's 20 plus years. We've been using this plow ever since I knew any better. Last year all the points and blades were changed brand new. I don't have the lingo here, folks, not the actual blades coming out, but all the beginning parts were all changed brand new. So it's in good order. I actually just stopped, stretched the legs for a minute or two and checked the points. Everything seems to be fine, and all is going well. So anyway, it's a beautiful fall day here in Upper Peninsula of Michigan. It is chilly, but sun's shining. It's not too bad. I'm going to take you for a little ride with me and show you what we got going on and go from there. All right, it's going to be a little tricky for me with only one hand, so I'm going to set everything down now and take off. I'm in B2. I couldn't tell you how many mile an hour I'm going. It's not very fast at all. This is a slow and steady wins the race, and I bet you I'm running about probably 2,000 RPM. So here we go. Do the best I can, folks. I didn't have that back end all the way down. A lot of you have probably seen that. Folks are gonna have to excuse the windows. This tractor hasn't been going since making small square bales of hay, and wasn't intended to, except of course for maintenance. But things are going okay. I can only assume that there's a handful of you asking why I'm plowing with the two-wheel drive 6400 versus that four-wheel drive 6420. Number one, but not foremost, that 6420 got a beating this year. Needs a break. That tractor worked extremely hard. In fact, I know for a fact if I put that tractor through another year like it just had, it's probably going to die. Something's going to be done about that. We'll talk about that later. Also, the 6400 two-wheel drive cab tractor that I'm in now handles this extremely well. It's power enough to handle it, but it's also light enough to feel and understand and know that you might have a problem or you're beating on this plow. I'll only assume that that makes sense to quite a few of you, but yeah. Not the nicest, cleanest job, but it's getting turned over. It's going to disc up real well, mulch this spring, and this field is well known for good corn, although it's been a while. Yeah, we'll see what happens. It's time to turn this over, folks. This actually produced an incredible amount of hay. Gosh. We're on top of a knoll right now with rocks, and yeah, this field's produced an incredible amount of hay, but it's time to turn it over. I don't really know what else to say. Alright folks, things are going to get tricky here. I need both hands, so hold on here. Turned out alright. Okay folks, I'm just checking in, giving you a little update, saying hello. Stay tuned to a further video. Later on today, I'm going to take you inside the barn and show you a project I'm working on and why. And that's about it. Hope everybody's having a real good day, and we're going to talk to you sooner and later.